Welcome to Gulf Oil and Gas International UAE, GOI. An ISO-certified company specialized in rig supplies of drilling equipment and spares. We are associated with reputed manufacturers across USA and Europe and catering to onshore, offshore and marine clients located at Middle East, CIS, and North Africa. Our product range includes drilling and rigs spares, mechanical, drilling instrumentation, fluid flow, pressure control, material transfer, well control equipment, wellhead equipment, mud pump, triplex, and parts, EMSCO, IDGO, Gardner Denver, NOV. Solid control equipment, handling tools, drill string, downhole tool, fishing tools, well completion tools, production equipment, fluid control product. Our specialized product brands: Amercable, Rockwell Automation, American Block, Appleton, IDGO, Billy Puco, Caterpillar, Cooper Krause Heinz, Crosby, Beamco, Retzko, Rex Rothbosch Group, Rigalite, Stewart and Stevenson, King Oil Tools, FMC Technologies, Gatetronics, Gates, Gotco International, Granger, Hawk International, Ingersoll Brand, Lewis, Miswako, National Oil Well Vargo, Otco, Parker, Renault Chain, Tyco Fire and Security, Cameron, Gardner Denver, Derrick, Hydrol, PI Controls Europe, Kenrig and Acker Solutions Maritime Hydraulics. For more information, please visit our website today: www.gulfogintl.com. You may also send us your inquiries via email: info@gulfogintl.com.